Right here, we've got two different mechanical keyboards. We've got the HyperX Origins, and we have the K2 by KeyChron. So these are both the 65% versions of the full keyboards, and these are the differences. So both come with RGB lighting. As you can see, the bottom there of the Alloy Origins, you can see all the backlighting. It's really cool. With this, you can't really see as much because it's a bit higher on the raised part there. This one does come with a shorter cable, and this one actually has wireless connectivity. That's a major difference, and it comes with this interesting selection of different things. So it's Mac OS and Windows supported, which is a different feature than this. This one's only connected via USB, and it also has the F buttons as the keypad, while this one doesn't. It's a bit smaller, as you can see. Both are great, but I prefer the KeyChron K2.